Welcome to International Securities Exchange's podcast series. Facilitated by renowned educators, ISE podcasts are intended to teach beginning as well as seasoned investors the ins and outs of trading. To find an updated list of podcasts, please visit www.ise.com/podcasts. Please be sure to listen to our important message following this episode regarding the risks of investing in exchange-traded options.
And I would like to take this moment, if we could, to see if we have some questions and invite Steve back with us. And see if any of this was helpful for you. If there's something, I think this has been recorded and will be available via archive tomorrow at fxoptions.archive. So with that said, let's see what kind of questions we got here.
John, thanks. We'll wait for the questions to come in, but always helpful as you offer different parts of the market each and every week. In fact, not each and every week, but each and every time you're here. And you're going to be back with us on September 28th, so I'm looking forward to that presentation also. DC Randy's question?
Well, you know what? On the 28th, we'll come back and visit how that British pound set up at that 160 handle. And we'll look at maybe come back and look at some seasonal analysis, because coming back into the end of September, we'll be concluding the quarter, and so it'll be exciting to give a look ahead into the fourth quarter. So I'll be excited to be invited back. Thank you, Steve.
Thank you, John. Let's see, a couple questions rolled in. You want to handle those?
Well, Wen Yang had asked if I could talk about the Japanese yen seasonal pattern. And I'm sorry, today's presentation wasn't about seasonal analysis, but if you go to the website, nationalfutures.com, there's some information there you could find. Also, the book that I wrote is called the Commodity Trader's Almanac with my partner, Jeff Hirsch, whose father started the Stock Trader's Almanac. We talk about seasonal analysis in all the four major currencies, including the Japanese yen there. And then I think, Steve, we'll talk about seasonal analysis at the next presentation in September. So don't miss that event. From M. Chan, is it correct to see the doji as the candle that is shaped like a cross? Yes, not the three-candle combination. Yes, the doji was the one that was shaped like a cross. It was the middle candle of the three. It's where the market closes right at the opening. You're welcome. Thank you very much. Well, it looks like I'm getting off easy tonight. Thank you very much, Steve, for having me. Folks, I'll do a shameless plug for Steve, not that he needs it, but, you know, again, here are some upcoming FX option extravagant events, and maybe I will let you...
John, let me see if I can take this. I'll take the ball back.
Well, we got Eric Novak here. I will just help. We got Eric Novak next week, I believe, August 17th, trading FX options in volatile markets. Brian Overby. I know Brian. He's good on options. I think he was with, is it King?
Trade King, correct.
Trade King, that's right. Brian Overby with Trade King on Improve Your FX Trading using Option Greeks. Good guy. And you can see we will be back on 9/28. So we'll give it a little bit of rest for about 6 weeks or so. And that should be about it. Steve, thank you for allowing me to come on and present for the ISE.
John, thank you. Really appreciate it. And always look forward to all your presentations, but the seasonality ones are always so interesting, as are the pivots. So I really shouldn't have a favorite, although I do like seasonality. I know a lot of your followers do. And they, as John said, go to nationalfutures.com. He's got so many services there that are free. So just go right over there right after this presentation, nationalfutures.com, and I'm sure you can find what you're looking for. And you might want to pick up a couple of his books. I've read them. They're excellent reads, real straightforward. You can learn a lot. And as Gil says, person's pivots rock. Great, Gil. Thanks. John, thank you so much.
All right, thanks, Steve. Have a great afternoon, and welcome
back. Take care, and I hope that hand mends. Take care of yourself.
You know what? I hope your travel jet lag mends. All right,
thank you. Take
Relax.
care. Thank you. Just want to remind everybody we have Eric Novik back a week from now. Eric will be talking about trading FX options in volatile markets. Brian Overby on August 24th from Trade King. Jason Ayers that does the weekly outlook on August 31st. Jack Crooks, another very popular guest on reserve diversification. And then John Jagerson as we roll into the mid-September timeframe. But don't miss John Person on September 28th. He'll be back with us. So I want to thank John again. He did a great job. And I want to thank all of you, the attendees. Without you, this would not be possible. So thanks again for coming. Don't forget, FX options offer you the ability to implement your views with limited risk. You could bring in income by selling some spreads if you'd like. You could buy some debit spreads. You can create volatility positions. You could do it all. And we have so much that's available at www.fxoptions.com. Check out the skew charts. They're brand new, only a couple months old. And I might even start writing a little bit of a blog about the skewness. So check it out. Thanks again. And I look forward to seeing you back real soon. This is your host, Steve Meisinger, wishing you a safe and happy trading day tomorrow. On behalf of the ISC, have a great night.
Thank you for listening to our podcast. To find more podcasts on options, stocks, alternative markets, and market data, please visit www.isc.com/podcasts.